hold on. I'll put you in handcuffs.
Okay, I'm not, sir. I'm not.
Okay.
Sorry.
Stop.
Okay, I'm not.
Alright. Stop!
Event retail theft apprehension and custodial arrest location Chicago metropolitan area Illinois United States date undisclosed. Source publicly available body cam footage.
I swear to God. Hey.
Stop. Hey, buddy.
I'm sorry. I'm not going to take nothing. That's all I took.
That's all you took?
Yes, I promise you guys.
Well, let's get that somewhere. Stop.
Okay, let's go. No,
Stop. Hold on. I'll put you in handcuffs.
okay, I'm not, sir. I'm not.
Okay.
Sorry.
Stop.
Okay, I'm not.
Alright.
Hey, I'm just shy people looking at me, my friend.
Okay,
Sorry.
then let's go back inside.
Okay.
We're going back inside.
Sorry.
Okay, hold on. Just walk with us. Walk with us.
I'm just kidding. I promise you guys I'm going to do this.
Stop. Just stop. Just stop. One in cuffs. Why'd you do that?
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm sorry.
Just sit. Relax.
I'm sorry.
Stand up. Stand up. Sure. No, because this is escalators, because it's going to close up. Yeah, it's not safe. There's a chair in the office, too. So. Okay. Right. Do you have anything else on you?
No,
Focus
no.
next step. Turn off. I want to make sure. We're all good. I'm going to get them. Catch my breath a little bit. Start with Miranda. Water? Yes. I don't have any water right here. ID? Yeah. Do you have any ID on you?
No, I do not.
What's... Let me see if you want, okay? Yes. How old are you?
34.
34? You're homeless or you never drive?
I'm homeless right now.
Okay. Where do you normally stay?
We're here by
By what?
Kidsy.
Detains?
Yeah.
In Chicago?
Yeah.
That's nowhere near here. How'd you get here today?
Bus.
Okay. That makes sense. What's your name, my friend?
Nik Ruiz.
Spell it for me.
Nik Ruiz.
If you tell me a fake name, you know you're gonna get additional charges, right?
Yes.
This is real? This is you?
Yes.
It's not short for anything?
It's not. It's me. Sneaky.
What town do you live out of?
I used to stay back in the Heights.
Glendale Heights?
Yes. You guys got some water?
I don't, but I don't think they either.
No, we don't.
Have you ever had an Illinois driver's license?
No, I have not.
No. Any state?
I had a passport, but my mom took it with her to the Philippines when she left.
Okay. Alright. Sir, do you understand English pretty well? You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Alright. What's your highest level of education?
8th grade.
8th grade, you said?
Yeah.
Alright. So what I want to do is, kind of like the movies and the TV shows that you might see from police shows, I'm going to read you what's called Miranda warnings, okay? With a yes or a no, acknowledge that you understand or don't understand, all right? You have the right to remain silent, do you understand?
Yes.
Anything you say can or will be used against you in the court of law, do you understand?
Yes.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned, do you understand?
Yes.
If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish, do you understand?
Yes.
You can decide and exercise at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements, do you understand?
Yes.
Everything I told you, you understand?
Yes, I did.
Yeah. Okay. Why would you do it, man?
Because it's been cold outside and I'm just trying to get an apartment. A room.
A room where?
Anywhere that I could.
Okay. You said you were homeless, correct?
Yeah.
How long have you been homeless for?
Since like October.
October? Where have you been living before? You said Kenzie?
We're back out in Glendale Heights.
Glendale Heights? Okay. Why'd you have to move out from there?
Last time I went to the Philippines.
Okay. They sold your house?
Yeah.
Okay. So you were just picking up clothing
That's it.
for yourself?
Not to sell.
To sell it?
Yeah.
Who would you sell it to?
Just people, random people, so I thought I can think I can get a room or something.
Just to make enough money?
I guess it's been cold outside.
Do you have any money on you?
No, I do not.
Zero?
Yeah.
So how do you normally buy things or purchase things?
I usually ask people, and I got a link card.
Okay. Oh, what card?
Link card?
A link card. Does your currently right now, does your link card have any money on it?
No, I do not.
Okay. This is for report and administrative purposes. I'm going to ask you this question. I want you to be straight up and honest. Do you admit to stealing from JC County?
Today, yes, I did.
Today you did. I appreciate your honesty. Thank you. Well, now, so I'm going to be honest with you, my friend. All right, based on the amount, so I'm right now waiting for the receipt. If it's greater than a certain amount, we'll have to bring you to the station and we'll figure out from there. Okay? Anyways. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Is this stuff yours?
Yeah.
Is there anything in there that I should be concerned about?
No.
Now's your time to tell me, being honest, alright? Nothing in there, no drugs, no contraband of any sort?
I got weed in it, that's all.
Just weed?
Yeah.
It's like some shake or we got some flour?
No, it's just shakes.
Just shakes? About how much? How many grams would you
Not
say?
even 3 grams.
Not even 3 grams? I'm gonna be honest, man, too much. Alright? Do you have any paperwork for him you need to sign?
No, that's okay. I just told him he's trying to work.
Yeah. Alright, go ahead and stand up, man. Go this way. What's that?
Jose?
Is your name Jose?
No, it's not.
Were you ever referred as Jose before?
No, I'm not.
Yes,
it
Is that what it says on your ID when you had one?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's Nik Ruiz.
Was it?
Nik Ruiz.
Nik Ruiz. Have you ever lived on the East Coast?
No. Now I need to do here, Glendale Heights and Crow Stream.
State ID or driver's license?
I do not, sir.
Ever been arrested before?
No, I have not. It's my first time.
Here, Jay, go through in the back.
Nice.
Pretty good look.
Yeah. Sit back.
Subject Nik Ruiz, age 34, homeless since October, formerly of Glendale Heights, Illinois. Charges at issue: retail theft under 720 ILCS, 516-25. Secondary issue: cannabis possession under 410 ILCS 70510-10. Fourth Amendment analysis. Observable theft establishes probable cause for a warrantless custodial arrest. Handcuffing is lawful when probable cause is present. No warrant required. Use of force standard. Graham v. Connor, 490, U.S. 3861989. Three-factor test. Severity of the offense. Immediate threat. Posed active resistance. Reasonableness is judged from a reasonable officer perspective, not in hindsight. Graham application to this case. Non-violent property offense weighs against force. 32 consecutive seconds of non-compliance while restrained constitutes active resistance supporting force. Spontaneous admission doctrine, Illinois v. Perkins, 496 U.S. 2921990. Voluntary statements made before interrogation begins fall outside Miranda requirements entirely. Opening statement of subject is admissible without Miranda advisement. Booking exception to Miranda, Pennsylvania v. Muniz, 496 U.S. 5821990. Routine biographical questions, name, age, address, education level, are administrative processing. They do not constitute interrogation and do not trigger Miranda requirements. Miranda v. Arizona, 384, U.S. 4361966. 4 required components: right to silence, use of statements in court, right to counsel, right to appointed counsel, all 4 delivered and individually acknowledged. Fifth Amendment Miranda applies when 2 conditions are met simultaneously. Condition 1, suspect is in custody. Condition 2, suspect is subject to interrogation. Both conditions were present. Warnings were delivered before substantive questioning began. Waiver and admissibility. A knowing and voluntary waiver of Miranda rights renders all subsequent statements admissible. Subject acknowledged each right individually and chose to speak. Waiver is legally valid. Framing issue. No recognized administrative confession exception. No administrative exception exists under Miranda for eliciting substantive theft admissions. Prior proper Miranda delivery rendered the confession admissible regardless of framing. Illinois retail theft, 720 ILCS 516-25. Below $300, Class A misdemeanor, up to 364 days. Imprisonment fine, up to $500. At or above $300, Class 3 felony, 2 to 5 years imprisonment. Illinois Cannabis Regulation and Tax Act, 410 ILCS 70510-10, effective the 1st of January 2020. Adults age 21 and older may legally possess up to 30 grams of cannabis flower. No permit license or medical authorization is required. Cannabis legal analysis. Subject age, 34. Disclosed amount less than 3 grams. Legal limit, 30 grams. Disclosed amount is less than 10% of the statutory threshold. Possession is entirely lawful. Legal conclusion on cannabis. A criminal charge for this amount lacks statutory basis under 410 ILCS 70510-10. Such a charge would not survive prosecutorial review or judicial scrutiny in Illinois. Consent in custody. Schneckloth v. Bustamante, 412, U.S. 2181973. Voluntary consent to search is valid even in custodial settings, assessed under totality of circumstances, not solely based on the presence of restraint. Lesson 1, Miranda best practice. Confirming language comprehension education level before Miranda delivery is not legally required but prevents constitutional challenges and ensures meaningful waiver. Lesson 2, Cannabis Law Training Gap. Officers must apply current post-legalization statutes, not pre-2020 standards. Charging legally possessed cannabis exposes officers and departments to civil liability. Lesson 3, Use of Force Escalation. The force continuum requires sequential escalation, presence, verbal commands, soft control. Documented verbal non-compliance is prerequisite justification before physical intervention. Lesson 4, Precision in Confession Procedure. The booking exception applies only to administrative processing, not substantive admissions. Using non-standard framing administrative purposes introduces unnecessary legal ambiguity.